If you've been frustrated because CapCut has locked the right-click extract audio feature behind Pro, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple free workaround that gives you the same result without paying for the premium button. This is perfect if you want to pull audio out of a video file on PC or Mac, reuse sound for edits, or separate video and audio for a cleaner workflow. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your computer and start a new project, or open the project you already have. The first thing you want to do is import the video that contains the audio you want to extract. You can usually do this by dragging and dropping the file directly into your media area or timeline. Once the video is inside your project, place it on the timeline so you can work with it. Now here's the key workaround. Since the official extract audio option is paywalled, we're going to manually separate the audio using a simple timeline trick. Duplicate the video clip so you have two identical layers stacked on top of each other. You can do this by copying and pasting the clip, or by duplicating it with your preferred shortcut. The reason we do this is because one layer will act as the visible video, while the other layer will be turned into a stand-in for audio only. Next, select the top video layer and lower its volume all the way down to 0. This mutes that layer so it no longer plays sound. Then go to the bottom layer and open the video settings panel. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may see an option to uncheck the video box, disable the visual track, or reduce the opacity to 0. The goal here is to hide the bottom layer visually while keeping its audio active. Once you've done that, the bottom track now behaves like a dedicated audio track, which is exactly what you are trying to achieve with the Pro Extract audio feature. You can now use that audio in your project, trim it, move it around, or keep editing with full control. This gives you a free workflow inside CapCut without needing to unlock the premium tool. If you want to be extra clean with your edit, take a moment to scrub through the timeline and make sure everything is lined up correctly. Play back a few seconds to confirm that the video is visible from the top layer and the sound is coming through the audio you kept active. If anything looks off, just adjust the mute, hide, or opacity settings until the result is right. This workaround is especially useful if you only need the audio portion of a clip and don't want to depend on a paid feature. It also saves time because you can repeat the same process for other clips whenever you need to separate sound from video. So instead of getting stuck on the Pro lock, you now have a free method that works right inside CapCut, and that's it. Now you know how to fix the Extract Audio CapCut Pro feature for free using a simple timeline workaround on PC or Mac. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and free fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.